Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove watermarks from photos on iPhone. Are you looking for a quick guide how to remove watermarks from iPhone? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, remove watermarks from photos using the brush and lasso tools. So choose object removal, then brush. Brush over the area or object you want to delete, and then hit go button to delete the select area from your image. Right? Other than that, you will find the lasso tool next to the brush tool. Lasso tool makes the selection very easy. You simply drag a freehand selection around the object or area you want to select in a similar way how you would outline something on paper with a pencil. Once you have selected the watermark text logo, tap on the go button to remove the selection from your photo. Tap the save icon to save it to your camera roll, send or share with others. Other object removal tools, except the object removal tool mentioned above, you can also use the clone stamp tool, which is located at the right end of the toolbar at the bottom, or use the quick brush, which is one of the quick repair tools on your iPhone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.